In today's video, I'll show you how to start a Microsoft Teams video conference in just a few minutes. Whether you're working from home, attending an online class, or meeting with teammates from different parts of the world, knowing how to run a Teams video call can greatly improve your online communication. Let's jump right in. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button and click it. This is your entry point into Microsoft Teams. You'll be asked to sign in using your account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create an account in just a few steps. Signing in is important because it personalizes your Teams experience and keeps your conversations private and secure. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken to the Teams interface. From here, navigate to your chat list. Look for the chat or team where you want to start the video conference. For example, you might see a chat name like Chat Meeting with Sample Only Microsoft Teams. Don't worry about the name itself, this is just an example. What matters is finding the correct chat or team you plan to meet with. Once you've located the right chat, click on it to open the conversation. This step is important to make sure you're in the correct space before starting the call. Next, select the group chat or team where all participants are included. Now it's time to start the video conference. Look for the Join near the top of the chat window. Click on this icon, and your video call will begin immediately. At this point, you're live, and the meeting is officially underway. Before you start, here's a quick tip. Make sure you're in a quiet area with good lighting. This helps improve video quality and ensures your voice comes through clearly without background noise. And that's it. You've just learned how to start a Microsoft Teams video conference step by step. With these simple steps, you can easily connect and collaborate with coworkers, classmates, or friends from anywhere in the world. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell